Okay, let's begin. So, when we multiply 28 twice means 2 times. See, we already did it here. We got 56. Now, you only learned tables of all the tables from 2 to 10 only 10 times. You are not learned more than that, isn't it?
Yes.
So, now to find out how many 4s are there in 56. So we do a small division here to find out how many times 4 you have to multiply to get 56. So 56, we are going to divide this to know how many 4s are there. Or listen here, how many 4s are there in 54. So now here the first number is 5. So you can divide this number with this, with 4. How many 4s are there in 5? Yes, very good. Exactly. It is only 1. And when you write the number, it has to be just above the digit which you are dividing. Yes, 1, 4 is 4. Now we will have to minus this. 5 minus 4 is 1. Now bring this 6 down. 16. In 16, how many 4s are there in 16?
4.
Yes, 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are
16.
So you write here 4, 16.
Yes.
So how many 4s are there in 56? Can you tell? 14. What is it?
14.
Did you get it?
Yes.
Is it clear with you?
Yes.
Sure?
Sure.
Okay. So where to write 14? Tell me. Yes, just opposite to this. 14 4s makes 56. You want to know that? 14 into 4. 4 4s are 16. Carry 1. 1 4 is 4 plus 1. See, you got the same number.
Yes.
Follow?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
Okay. Now we have to check how many 7s are there in 56. Are you sure? Sure. Is it 8? Is it correct? 8 7s are? 8 7s are? Very good. So, there are 8 7s in 56. Did you write it? Very good, very good. Now let's move on to the next one. Isn't it easy? No? Isn't it easy? This is easy. The other one which I did was not easy for you. Was it? So how many did we did? We did 32, 24, 56, then which is the one we are doing now? 36. Did we do 36?
No.
No. So we will do 36 now. Alright. So here in the middle it is 36 and here it is 6. There is nothing here. Then 9. Then 9 and then there is nothing over here. Then comes 3. Then nothing over there. Okay. Now you have to find out how many 6s are there in 36. 6 6s are? Where to write? Where to write? Yeah. 6 6s are 36. 6 6s are 36. Okay. Now, what is the next one? What is the next one? Huh? Yeah. 3. How many 3s are there in, or what makes, how many times when you multiply 3, you get 36? This is very easy. Who can say that? How many? No. See, how many 3s are there in 36? I think I just show you 36. You just divide and see how many 6s are there. Okay. 3 goes in 3. How many 3s are there here? Only 1. So 1 3 is 3. Bring the 6 down. How many 3s are there in 6? 2. 2 3s are 6. 36. What do you have to write here? 12. 12 threes are 36. 12 threes are 36. Now, next one. How many nines are there in 36?
4.
See, he is very clever with the multiplication table. That's why 4 nines are 36. 4 into 9 is 36. 9 fours are 36. Got it? See, 3 into 12 is 36. Then what is it? 6 are 36. 9 fours are 36. Understood? Now which is the one you have to do? Now we have to do the next two petals. That's for homework. That is for homework. Just write the homework. HW. Okay. And then we'll move on to the next page. This is called the word problem. The next page is the word problem on page number 22. Now listen carefully. Ankit went to a stationery shop. You know what is the meaning of stationery shop? Where we get books, pencils, rulers, then erasers, color pencils, ink, pen. So many things you get there. That is called the stationery shop. To buy the items he needed. Now we have to answer these questions. Answer the following questions. The cost of a chart paper. You know what is chart paper? Yes. Rupees 10. The cost of a chart paper is
10.
rupees 10. Okay. Now let me write this. Cost of a chart paper is rupees 10. Yes, rupees 10. And how much money? See, you won't say how many money. Do you say how many money? How much money did Ankit pay for the chart paper if he got 5 chart papers? So how many chart papers did he buy? How many chart papers did he buy? How many? 5 chart papers. And what is the cost of 1 chart paper?
10.
Okay. So, now the cost of 1 chart paper.
The answer is 50.
Alright. First you have to write the word statement. This is called the word statement. It's already written there. Cost of what? Cost of 1 chart paper. Instead of saying 1, you can also say a. A means 1. Cost of 1 chart paper. What is the cost of 1 chart paper?
10.
So,
10.
in that box, what do you have to write?
10.
Yes, you have to write there 10. So, write in that box 10. The cost of 5 chart papers. Cost of 5 chart papers.
10 into 5.
Very good. Cost
Is
of
50.
5 chart papers equals rupees. What do you have to write here?
50.
10. What do you have to write in that column?
10 into 5.
10. Then there is another column given there. 10 into
5.
5. 10 fives are how much?
50.
Yes. In that column you have given there rupees. What do you have to write here? 50. And what do you have to write below here? Yes, Ankit paid same number 50. Ankit paid 50 rupees for chart papers. Let's do the next one. Let's do the next one.
Cost of 1.
Where is your worksheet book? Okay, we are going to do the next one. Please concentrate in your book. All look straight. The cost of 1 notebook is rupees 26. What is the cost of 8 notebooks?
208.
Wait. First you write cost of 1 notebook. In the column, how much you have to write in the column there?
26.
Write there 26. Write here in the column 26. Write 26. Where are you writing? You are not writing in the column. You are going and writing somewhere else. Come back.